It's your baby's arm that's keeping them from rolling over. Think about a wheel trying to roll, but there's a block stuck underneath it. It doesn't matter how hard it pushes, it's not going anywhere. That's exactly what's happening when your baby gets stuck. Their arm acts like that block and stops their body from rolling. The good news is, once you know what to look for, it's actually pretty easy to fix. I'm going to show you exactly how to help your baby move that arm out of the way so they can roll. If your baby's doing this, they'll get about halfway over, pause, get frustrated, and then give up. They just can't quite finish the roll. This isn't just about strength. Even strong babies can get stuck here. It's more about how they're moving. Now, your first instinct may be just to bring this arm up so it's out of the way, but this usually doesn't work very well. What happens is they want to resist you and push this arm down. That makes it hard for you to get this arm up, and also then they're strengthening these muscles, the opposite of the ones that we want to help them bring this arm out of the way. Besides, we don't want to just move this arm out of the way for them. We want to teach them how to move it out of the way on their own. For this, we want to set things up so that they naturally move this arm out of the way all by themselves. Before we start the roll, we want to help your baby bring their arm out of the way as much as possible. To do that, the best thing is to have them reach for something. At this age, I like to use a rattle. So we'll bring the rattle over here and have them reach up out of the way like this. And that's the first step for having your baby roll from back to belly. The second step will occur naturally as you got this rattle over here and they'll turn their head to look at the rattle. The third and last step is to help them bring this arm across to pull the rest of their body all the way over. So for that, just bring the rattle over here, get them interested in reaching with this arm, and just lead them across like this, and eventually they'll roll over. Now, a good little tip here is, as you're bringing them over, sometimes kids get kind of stuck right there. What you want to do for that is, instead of just having the rattle right here, bring the rattle up like this so that they nod their heads up. And as they nod their head up, that'll help them bring the rest of their body all the way over like that. Now, sometimes you can get them to reach up like this to get that arm out of the way, but as soon as you go to the other arm, that arm just wants to go right back to the side and get in that position where they get blocked. If this happens, don't be discouraged. Keep practicing. However, you do want to check and see they might be a little bit tight in their shoulders. So you can bring them into this position and just stretch their arms like this. Just play with bringing their arms back like this, getting them used to that position with their hands up over their heads like that. Just play with them a little bit, make it fun. If you find that they're a little stiff here and that they don't really like that position, then you found the missing link as to why they get stuck here and don't want to go over. So keep practicing that to make that easier. Whether your baby is stiff in the shoulders or not, keep practicing the things in this video. As they get that practice, they'll start to get the hang of it, and a whole new world of opportunity will open up to them as they learn to change positions by themselves and start to move. If you find that your baby is a little stiffer than you would think they should be, or if they're 6 months old and still not rolling over, please do check in with the pediatrician. Because I know how hard it is to remember all this in the moment, I put together parent notes for each video. You can follow along step by step with your baby instead of trying to remember it all. You can find that at the link on your screen. If your baby is still struggling with this, it probably means they need a little more strength. Click on the video on your screen to show you how to use tummy time to help make this easier.